Alright guys, so we're going to install some of our QSX-692s, our 6x9s. We are going to put them in a Polaris Ranger. This Ranger's already set up for 6x9s, so we're going to go ahead and do that. This is what they look like when you open the box. They're individually wrapped. They come with the speaker, the grill, and the mounting hardware. They're also plug and play. So your speaker wires already ran. Just unplug your old speakers and plug your new ones back in. The underside looks like once we've taken out the speakers. Alright guys, there's your leads right there. And then there's the wire leads. They're also different sizes. So, alright guys, like I said, these are plug and play. So as you can see, Laci's just plugging in the leads. Positive to positive, negative to negative. There is a size difference in the plugs, so you can tell. And then they're going to go right back up in the hole, and we're going to screw them in. So, ta-da! Alright, there they are, guys. They're done. Super simple. Go ahead and turn it up a little bit. There they are. All done.